in it. We're in it there. That would have been a late entry. I know what I would have did. I would have took the late entry once it broke. Alright, we're out. 42. I mean, I would have either got in here or I would have took that. It doesn't matter. I still was out. What's going on, everybody? Back with another one. So, let's see. What is this? Monday, October 9th. And well, technically, so okay, the way I trade, oops, bam, right, this is off H4, bullish, there we go, and then you can mark that as demand, right? So that's already been tapped into right there. All right, so now you have to wait and see what price does here, side of that, right? Okay. All right, so let's see what price does from here. All right, are we? Yeah, okay, cool. So we are. Let's see, let me just put it on M5 real quick because I need price to tap something. I need price to hit an area that I can look for a reaction off of. For example, right here is fine. Actually, let's see. What time is it? Oh nope, 8:20. Never mind. We gotta wait. After 8:12, I wait till 8:30, and that's why. 8:35. That is fine. All right. So now let's see what price does after. Oh, we missed it. Because at 8:37, price tapped here. And so entry was what price broke that there and there. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. We missed one. Okay. Yeah, but when it came back, it tapped that, so that's not for me. Okay, so let us see. We might look like we missed a smooth entry. We shall see. Okay. We missed one and we've been rewarded. Why? Check this out. Bam, bam. Okay. And so honestly, entry is there. Where are we taking it? No lower than there. Well, if you were partialing, you could. I got it set there, but honestly, stop loss is really like up to here, which is a lot, but it shouldn't go that high. Should not go over negative 120 points. So let's see how it plays out there. We might not take it. We have to always, yeah, see, we're not taking that. All right, now we're in it. We're in it there. That would have been a late entry. I know what I would have did. I would have took the late entry once it broke. All right, we're out. 42. I mean, I would have either got in here or I would have took that. It doesn't matter. I still was out. But, you know, and that's just literally something I did this morning. Price was in, it did what I needed. I waited to see how price would react. And then once I got the breaks, I got in like right under my supply and took it for profit. But yeah, there you go. 42. Let's mark that up. I've been trying to trade better like this in general. Like, just wait till we get into areas, and just see. Yeah, you know, because like what I would normally do is just, even though this is TP, I just, like, what I've been doing lately is, like, that's TP, I'll just set a stop loss. Like, so once we get here, I'll set a stop loss maybe like up there somewhere, and if price comes back and hit it, cool. If not, you know, then we just keep riding. And then I would just adjust it too. So like, stop loss was here, but then as soon as we broke that and got down here, I'm like probably moving stop loss down there. So I'm out at this point. I would definitely be out. That's like a tight 1 mini with the break. So price comes back here, you would want it to tap and reverse, but it might not. It did. It got you 30 points. It got you from here to here, which is what you need. And if you held it, it's basically running right back up. Yeah, I mean, liquidity's formed right there, so that's all getting swept. For me, I would be basically done at this point, and this is also like something that I've, at least for the past, like, since Monday, I want to say, I've been getting this like at 9 o'clock. I'll say about 10 o'clock, I'm done. By 10 o'clock, I'm done. Yesterday, I dropped my kids off at school, and as I'm dropping them off, I hit my trade and was done. Yeah, it was like a 40-point move. So I mean, yeah, those are the best days when you like done early, because now you really got your day. You know, but look at this. This ran all the way down here, which I guess, let me see. Yeah, I don't know. This tapped into that, so I would have definitely been trying to close it and maybe look for like a re-entry at some point up here, which the way I traded, it kind of didn't give it. Yeah, I would have just, yeah, I just would have missed that. But let's just see for kicks and giggles what it does. Now it is back up here again, because it could set, oh my. So here we go again, right? And this, nothing's perfect, but just for kicks and giggles, we're not in this trade. Entry is anywhere, we'll just go there, right? And let's just see. Price, really, you would really want price to first hit that, right? And then see how that goes from there. And then the ultimate goal is just to, just take all of this out. So let's just see what happens for kicks and giggles. So if you had took this trade, all right, in profit, look at that, hit that first target pretty well. So now you're looking for some type of reaction to guarantee it'll keep going. But so far it's looking like it bounced. Like that was just a rejection level. Yeah. But I mean, real quick while it's running, if you took this to here, if you took, yeah, that's a 38-point move. That's more than enough, you know. And I mean, and then you still got it. Let me pause this real quick too. You still got another break right there. So you know, I'm honestly looking at it like, yeah, right here, somewhere in there is, then that would have been my new entry. But after seeing this, I would wait. And now that we broke like that, now you're just watching to see what price is going to do and if it'll give you another 3-candle break or something like this. And then as soon as it breaks under this, you can get in. And I put that right there just for kicks and giggles so you can see it. So yeah, now you're in there. Yep. And price, I don't know why I'm doing that, but that's not TP. Price, bare minimum is there. Like that's a full TP. The last TP target, but I would honestly, we here, I'm not letting it go no higher than that. So I'm out. I'm missing all of this right now. If this is me, I missed full TP, and that don't matter. It was what, 68. This 6 points. That's not. It's not really worth it. Price broke this target, but it didn't sweep down there. So that was 2 entries right there. That was 2 entries. You know what I mean? The 3-candle sweep. Blue, that's 1, 2, and then this one right here, the third one, makes 3. And it swept all that, just didn't pull back. So there you go. You never got that. This is why I set the stop loss, because you never got it. Rejected this area twice. It rejected in that area twice. So you never really got what you were looking for, and now price is just running. As far as like trying to get a full TP, you got two smooth entries, but you never got a full TP, which is fine. A lot of times, honestly, this is the type 1 in a sense, and when that happens, it don't always come back down. So really, you were just taking the rejection. I mean, yeah, you can call it that, you know. But yeah, let's just see if there was anything else. It's still running on M5. Yeah, on M5, still running. Yeah. I don't really trade once it gets tricky once we not in a supplier demand. But yeah, I mean, honestly, You would have to see. I'm definitely done at this point, but yeah, I mean, let's see. That one was a little sus, but there you go. It definitely is. Oh, okay. Here's, let me see. Let me zoom in a little bit. The 3 candle move again. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Nah. Yeah, I just, well, no, I mean, because this did that. Okay, so bam. So we did break all of that, came back up, tapped right in this area. Yeah, that's fine. That one would have been it. 645. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been it. But yeah, there you have it, man. Like and subscribe. Supply and demand. I try to keep it simple. The longer I stare at the charts and the longer I trade US 30, the better I get. I'm just literally just moving, just applying things in ways that make sense for me. And the way I'm doing it with these, like, instead of waiting for price to come break this and then look for a reaction up here, I'm catching it up here, which is better, because it might come here, break, and then just run through this, you know. So yeah, you got to make it work for you.